Do you hate having to rush to the bathroom all the time? Are constant bathroom trips quietly ruining your life? Yeah, this video is for you. Living with urinary urgency or frequency is exhausting. Every trip outside your home feels like a mission. You plan your route around bathrooms. You memorize every restroom location. Maybe you wear absorbent underwear. Maybe you pack extra clothes, just in case. And you probably limit how much you drink, hoping you won't have to go again. But then you feel dehydrated, tired, and foggy. And the mental side is even worse. You're constantly scanning for the nearest bathroom. You can't fully relax. Some people start avoiding social events, avoid traveling, avoid living their life. And the isolation slowly eats away at you. Maybe a doctor gave it a name. Overactive bladder, interstitial cystitis, pelvic floor dysfunction. But even with a label, you're still stuck with the same symptoms. No real plan, no real answers. I know how frustrating this is because I went through it myself, and I recovered completely, which means you can too. Here's what most people never explain. Your bladder is tightly connected to your nervous system. When you're stressed, hyper-aware, or anxious, your nervous system goes into threat mode. And when that happens, muscles tighten, sensitivity increases, signals get louder. So urgency feels stronger, even when your bladder isn't actually full. And ironically, the things we do to protect ourselves often make it worse. Constantly checking sensations, avoiding fluids, clenching your pelvic floor, staying home, living in fear of accidents. All of that tells your brain something is wrong, so the alarm system stays on. Recovery is about calming that alarm system, not fighting your bladder, but teaching your body it's safe again. What helped me most was relaxing and stretching the pelvic floor, breathing exercises, journaling emotions, reducing symptom checking, handling setbacks calmly, gradually going out again, and rebuilding trust with my body. These small daily habits completely changed everything. I used to struggle with pelvic pain and constant urgency too. So I built Sanavita to help others recover. Sanavita includes psychological support using pain reprocessing and metacognitive therapy, guided stretches to relax the pelvic floor, expressive journaling to release built-up emotions, my recovery story and practical lessons for daily life, visualization meditations to calm your nervous system and ease symptoms. Track your symptoms, take assessments, and explore a full library of recovery resources. Download Sanavita today and start your recovery.